So hello guys, and you guys loved the last Minion Rush video, so I'm just gonna do another one. And I finished this level, but I'm gonna play it again. You have to slap minions in the face, which is so fun and I love it. And it's so fun playing this game, and I hope you like the videos. So, all you've got to do in this game, if you haven't watched the last episode, is collect the bananas, and each level has something different, which you have to complete. Like, other levels you might have to run a certain amount of meters. But this level is obviously just slapping minions in the face, which is kind of fun. And this bit goes sideways, which is so hard. Oh, I finally finished that because I used to play this game before, so if I'm really good, then you know why. I didn't get that minion because I didn't have any time. Let's get these bananas. Oh my god, I'm gonna get this. And these things make you go speedy spoop. Oh, I could have got 2 minions if I want that, but I did not. And I died, but I got one whole thing, so I can play the next level. And if you want me to just do one whole thing where I just complete the levels that I haven't done to the max, then I will do that if you want me to. So leave in the comments. Oh my gosh, this is a fun one because you get a banana vacuum. Basically, it's just you collect bananas with a banana vacuum, and it's super cool, and you gotta get like 350 bananas with the banana vacuum, and it's so fun. So if I just figured out that jumping makes it go faster, my minion is going faster. So I've got another banana vacuum. I completed the 2 first ones, and I've just went over the limit of the second one, and this is really easy because you just have to collect banana vacuums, which for me is really like fun and everything. Is there a banana vacuum? Oh my gosh, here we are, sideways again. Hello. Goodbye. You can download this game for free on the App Store. It doesn't take up much storage at all. And if you like minions like me, then you would love this app. No, I'm on 207 and I have to be on 300 and something, I think. Oh my god, I hate this part when I am on the slide. I have never completed this. Oh my god, I just completed it. That is such an achievement, and it gets faster, as you can see, guys. And there are more obstacles in the way, and it's so fun, and it's... There we go. That level is completed because I've obviously just got those 2, and look at his little face, it's so cute. Now then, the next level, I don't know what it's going to be, but I collected 500 and 54 bananas. So let's go back to my jelly ride. Yeah, I'm upgrade it. I'm buying it just because they said so. And I cannot skip this. Oh my god, what am I gonna get? Smashes times 2? That was really not worth it. Level 7. I've got to run for a certain amount of minutes. This should be... So you can unleash the evil minion inside. Right now I'm not going to do it because I'm going to do it when I'm in really need of it. Because that just makes a lot of sense to me. This is Santa Claus. Have you seen that advert when it's just like, this is Santa Claus? I just think it's a really strange advert. There is a lot of jumps in this. 1 more minute. I gotta run for another minion. On this bit. I'm just gonna change my minion. How can I change him? I cannot change him. I wanna get this banana. Potatoes, bananas, ba-doo, boop, boop, ba-doo. This is really, really stressful now. No, I died. I'm watching a video. If this is very, 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 very rubbish video, then just... No. This is so sad. I was on 1 minute and 18 seconds. Like, not now. I'm not reading it now. I'm playing. So, guys, this is just... No. Yeah, I'm participating in minion races. In the long run, I'm good at running long. Welcome to Minion Races. To begin, choose a minion costume you would like to race with. Woohoo! I got 50 coins. What can I buy with 50 coins? Nothing really. Can you buy anything with bananas? Yeah, 2,500 bananas is him. I'll be Jerry. Okay, I'm Jerry. Next. Gadgets to attack my projectile from the other minions. You can collect 6 gadgets on each race. Okay, that's nice. Okay. That's good. Now I'm going to play it because I want to. I've got to download this whole thing. So, you either wait through it or I'll call you back later. If you like the video now, then I'll call you back later. So, toodle pip. Okay, I am back. Oh, God. Whoopsie. I gotta do that all over again. I'm back, and this is done. Minions found, yes! Oh my god, I'm actually going to be racing against other people. Bloody heck. I didn't know this would be like it. Oh my god, I'm really bad at this. Guys. Okay, that's over. I'm perfect. Wow. Like, guys, that was so fun. But I think this is a perfect time to end the video. I will see you all soon in the next video, and toodle pip! Da 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 da!